catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking an early look at the upcoming Yeezy 700 V2s in this mauve colorways. This is definitely a fall inspired colorways and we're very excited to add it to the collection. So we're going to be coming with some hard fits to show you guys how the sneaker looks on feet, so stay tuned. Since we missed out on the original mauve colorway of the V1s, we're excited to have this V2 of the same colorway because it's definitely going to add some variety, especially during those fall and winter months when you don't want to go ahead and wear a boot. This is definitely going to add some variety in our collection. The sneaker comes in your standard 700 box with a boost on the side. We decided to go ahead and grab this one in the size 9 because the last 700 we picked up was the cream colorways, and we noticed the size 9 fits is more true to size. So let's just jump right ahead and get the sneaker out of the box. Now the 700 V2s are very similar to the 700 V1s. They didn't change a lot on this sneaker. They just slightly changed the upper and gave it more paneling, and they gave it this knitted material, which makes the sneaker more lighter. When it comes to the midsole, it's pretty much the same. That makes the 700 V1s and the V3s overshadow this sneaker in my opinion. And this one is not exactly the same as the original mauve in terms of the color blocking. It's missing the bold hits at the midsole, which I'm not really pressed about. I guess they wanted to make this one slightly different from the original one. And with this sneaker having a very neutral color tone all throughout the upper, I guess it very heavily relies on the 3M to make it pop on feet. Man, they've really taken a step back on the V2s because this is the second pair of V2s that have dropped this year, and it's very different from the original one because this one is more of a darker tone. And I'm very excited for this one because it's very fitting for this time of the year because we're moving into like the fall season and the winter season, so it's definitely gonna be very wearable. I noticed that this colorway looks very similar to the GOIN pair and the Tefer. It's almost like a mashup of both of them, but this one has more purple hues on the upper, which sets this one apart in my opinion. And I know they recently just dropped the price to get more people interested in the sneaker, but one pro that I can say about it is that it fits better than the V1s and is slightly more comfortable and lightweight on feet. So when it comes down to sizing, I'll say stick true to size since they did some improvements on the paneling on the upper and included this knitted material. It's definitely gonna hug to your foot and stretch over time, so definitely stick true to size. When it comes to styling it, it's a very Yeezy-esque sneaker, so I'll definitely play into that purple undertone and use it in the outfit. So you could throw in like a purple hoodie, and for pants you could go with like a brown pants. It's really gonna balance the outfit out and really play into that Yeezy aesthetic. So we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. If you guys are trying to pick up the sneaker, I think it released on the 25th of the month, so look out on that release date. Before we show you guys how the sneaker looks on feet, please guys go ahead and leave a like on this video right now because it really helps the channel grow. And please guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. Turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video. And guys, make sure you let us know down in the comments, do you prefer this mauve colorway or the Tefer colorway? And let us know which outfit you like in the on feet as well. And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.